You will need some dish soap. I will be using the Dawn dish soap, a magic eraser, and a scraper. Now before I go over to the sink and clean my mat, I want to show you that my liner is no longer sticking to the mat at all. So after I clean this and let it dry, I will show you the final result. I'm using cold water to wet my mat. I'm also going to wet the magic eraser and apply the soap. Then I'm ready to scrub it down. Now for the bits of material that don't come off with a magic eraser, you could take your scraper and scrape them off. And then rinse. And I also like to wash my protective covering. Once you have finished washing your mat, you'll want to leave it to air dry. If you take a blow dryer to it, you may warp your mat. Now that the mat and cover have finished drying, the first thing I like to do is apply a sticker to the top of the cover. That way anytime I remove the cover, I could put the correct side down, because when you store it, there could be a lot of dust that collects onto the cover. So now when I lift this, you can see that the cover is sticking to the mat. So washing it has definitely made it stickier.